surround surround 动词围绕包围
The warehouse was surrounded by high weeds that even blocked the door.
drain drain 名词排水口下水道动词排放排干
The workers had to drain the pool before they cleaned it.
fence fence 名词栅栏围篱
The fence had to be repaired frequently because the cows kept running into it.
stair stair 名词楼梯
Commuters were asked to avoid the stairs because the rain had made them slippery.
conspicuous conspicuous 形容词明显的显眼的
The decoration on the porch was so conspicuous that many people came to take pictures.
iron iron 名词熨斗铁动词烫衣服
The apartment contains laundry equipment like a washing machine, tumble dryer, and iron.
refurbish refurbish 动词翻修整修
The office was refurbished to gain interest from potential tenants.
porch porch 名词门廊
For an additional charge, all the houses can have a front porch added.
collapse collapse 名词动词倒塌倒下崩溃瓦解
The flimsy roof is in danger of collapse.
roof roof 名词屋顶
The rain dropping on the roof woke Doris up several times in the middle of the night.
residence residence 名词住宅住所居住
Show your proof of residence and get a 40% off discount on the ticket.
flower bed flower bed 名词花圃
Ashley bought some light bulbs to make some decoration in the flower bed.
dwelling dwelling 名词房屋住所住处
When the work is completed, there will be more than 1,200 dwellings in this area.
hang hang 动词悬挂悬吊
Everyone was astonished by the paintings hanging all over his living room.
plumbing plumbing 名词水路管线
Our home's entire plumbing system and old wiring were replaced last year.
dig dig 动词挖掘
The little girl was digging a hole in the backyard to bury her pet bird.
laundry laundry 名词代洗衣物洗衣店
I always drop my exercise clothes in the laundry basket right after I return from my workout.
external external 形容词外部的、外面的。
The external walls of his home were made of brick, and the interior was made of wood.
Shade. Shade. 名词拉帘、阴凉处、阴影。
The tree on the sidewalk gives shade to my room in the morning.
Dump. Dump. 动词倾倒、丢弃。
The garbage is collected and then dumped at the landfill.
Concrete. Concrete. 名词混凝土，形容词具体的、确实的。
The concrete wall turned out in bad shape because the cement wasn't properly poured.
Blind. Blind. 名词百叶窗，形容词眼盲的、失明的。
The old lady has never seen the sunlight for years because her blinds are always drawn.
Hedge. Hedge. 名词树篱。
Parker broke his leg when he was trying to jump over the neighbor's hedge.
Courtyard. Courtyard. 名词庭院。
The spacious courtyard is the reason why the property is so expensive.
Fireplace. Fireplace. 名词壁炉。
Fireplace is not actually an efficient way to heat up the house.
Down payment. Down payment. 名词头期款、首付。
30% is required as the down payment for the property.
Ceiling. Ceiling. 名词天花板。
She was so into buying high heels that her shoeboxes were stacked from floor to ceiling.
Awning. Awning. 名词遮雨棚、遮阳棚。
The torn awning over the door indicates the unit used to be a shoe boutique.
Dust. Dust. 名词灰尘，动词擦去的灰尘。
Dust on the windowsill suggests that the house hasn't been cleaned for months.
Household. Household. 名词家庭。
The couple opened a savings account to pay for their household expenses.
Yo， 听到这个音乐就代表这期影片当中的30个多益必考单字算是复习完毕啦。还记得我们从 Ebbinghaus 的遗忘曲线中所得出来的结论吗？与其一次长时间死命的背很多单字，倒不如运用每天琐碎的时间观看影片，将复习中间间隔的时间缩短，观看次数的频率拉高，才能提高记忆单字的效率哦。那如果觉得影片内容对你有所帮助的话，也请帮我按赞、订阅、留言、分享，让 YouTube 演算法知道这是一支值得推广的影片。好，这期影片到此就算差不多啦。我是 Parker， 这是帕克英文，我们下期影片再见啦，拜。